my name is Mikayla Snow and today I'm going to be trying to wash my beauty blender in this little washing machine. Let's try it out. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, it's a party. Okay, so I originally saw this on a sponsored ad on Instagram, and I'll show it to you guys right here. So this is the ad that I watched that made me want to buy this, but I did some investigation and I looked at the actual profile that was sponsoring this ad, and it was just like a random fancy like clothing company or something. So I was like, if they're not really making this, then it's just gonna be like a manufactured item that I could find even on Amazon. So I looked on Amazon, I looked all over trying to find the best price, and I ended up on this guy for $17.99, which is kind of a lot because my beauty blenders cost less than that. I'm really excited to try it out because the Instagram ad just gets you right away. It's like, oh my gosh, that's so dope. But I do enjoy, I do enjoy washing my beauty blender. I wash it literally every single time before I use it. And I have a video on how to wash your beauty blender that's pretty old, but it has lots of views, so hopefully that means it's really good, because I think it's pretty good. Anyways, let's get into the unboxing, even though it's already out of the box. Okay, so the packaging came and it was just like a little Chinese parcel, and I was expecting this for like another week, but it came yesterday, so that was really exciting. It has like a bunch of other products that they sell. So we got like a blending machine, a sewing machine, an iron, a fan, a toaster, a refrigerator. So they look really cute and fun. Ooh, we do need a battery. Do we need batteries? Yes, I think so. Okay, but let's test this guy. Open this guy up. We got some weird looking tape that just pops open. And it comes in a fruit holder. That's so funny. Here it is. Okay, just a little washing machine. Oh, it's so cute. So yeah, basically there's no instructions in the box unless I missed them. Some words Chinese, but I do not speak Chinese. I really wish I had English instructions. Let's see if the Amazon seller app provider has any instructions for us. So it just says beauty sponge washing machine, electronic blender makeup cleaner. And I think I also saw that you can use brushes in it as well, so we're gonna try that out as well. Okay, it has some sort of install battery, pour water washing machine, in the makeup tool, press the switch. Simulation of drainage. That's really what it says. Currently unavailable. Oops. I bought it, so it was available at one time. Features: made of quality plastic, non-toxic materials, blah, 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 blah. That's all just random stuff. It has 0 reviews, so maybe I just got scammed, but I hope it should work. Like the little spinny thing is in there. You see it? So it looks kind of legit. Whew. This is my little fan for the studio because I am literally dying all the time, but I can't have it on because you guys can obviously hear it. Batteries. Okay, so I'm back. I grabbed a battery and my little tools to try to open the bottom. Also, I don't know if it says to use detergent. Detergent like a real washing machine. Soap or anything like you would usually wash your beauty blender with. So I brought it just in case, but I don't want to break it right away, you know? I also just brought some water from the tap and of course a dirty beauty blender, and I have tons of other ones that we can try also. Let's just try to open this. Oh no, did I need 2 batteries? Don't want to lose that. And of course, I need 2 batteries. I'm gonna go grab another battery. Pop our batteries in. I'm kind of scared because it's electrical stuff and water. A risk I'm willing to take for YouTube. I like that it even has a little screwdriver symbol. It also says no trash can. Anyways, okay, so the power's in. Let's press the button, I guess. I mean, it's going. Okay, I have faith. I have faith. So, I'm a little scared. Okay, so I'm just gonna fill this guy up with water. I don't know how much to fill. Ooh. Oh, it's leaking. The little thing makes the water come out. Oh, good thing I have a towel. Okay, and now I guess we'll just pop the beauty blender in there. See what happens. It's gonna float. Oh, I knew I put too much water in. I wish it would tell you. Come on, guys, tell me. Oh, but then we can use the little drain. Ah! It's kind of weird. So like that much water? That's so funny that it has a little drain. Take 2. Close it in there. See what happens. 3, 2, 1. Nothing's happening. Is my beauty blender too big? Oh my gosh, my beauty blender like soaked up all the water. See, because I like to use like generic beauty blenders that get really big, and I think it's just too big for this. Let's try it again. Let's maybe add more water since it could be a really bad idea. Fully saturated. There's a bunch of water in there, so try it again. Oh, it moved it a little bit. Oh, it's moving a little bit. Okay, but like nowhere near. It's like working hard. I feel bad. I'm gonna break it. I'm gonna bust the motor. Don't get electrocuted. Okay. So it didn't clean it at all. It basically only got it wet. Oh my gosh. So that was kind of a fail, but I think I have hope. I'm gonna go grab my small original beauty blender, like the real branded one, and we're gonna try this again because I think it's just too big. I'll show you the comparison real quick. Give me a second. Here are some other beauty blenders I wanted to try for this. So this is a new one I tried at Target today. It was actually really good. I think it was only like $2 maybe, because I wanted to give you guys like an option for a cheap beauty blender because I love these a lot more than the original. Don't tell Beauty Blender that I still love them. Anyways, it's just a different foam and it's just really different. I think what what Beauty Blender started was amazing. Like, we wouldn't have these if Beauty Blender hadn't been so innovative. I like these more. They get much bigger. I just use this one so it's a little damp still, but it got so much bigger, and you can just see. Of course, this one's dry, but it doesn't really grow that much. Just that size difference is crazy. So I'm gonna start off. I guess we'll do another side cam. What kind of YouTuber would I be if I didn't get another angle? We're gonna fill this one up first. I don't know how much to fill it, but I'm just gonna fill it about there. You guys can see in there. About that much. And then I'm also going to dampen my Beauty Blender to not soak up everything, even though basically that cleans it. But yeah, so here is the dirty Beauty Blender. I don't think it's gonna do anything because there's no soap in there, but we can pray and hope. See, okay, so it soaked up more. I guess I assumed would happen. Did I pour more in? I don't know. We're just gonna do it. And we're gonna press the button. Actually, we're gonna dry our space off first because I'm still paranoid. I mean, it's a cute little play toy. Let's see how it works first without the Beauty Blender in it. Can we do that? Like, the water gets going. Like, I feel like it would just be like a fun little toy for a little girl to have, even though we shouldn't like make girls do laundry all the time. But anyways, let's just try it with the original Beauty Blender, even though it's not as big, still like a lot. Oh, this one's it's turning in there. Okay, it's doing some sort of work. But there's no way this cleans it. Like, what are you supposed to do? Leave it in there for an hour? Not at all clean. I mean, the water looks dirty. Not a change at all. Is that stripe what it cleaned, basically? I have no idea. Okay, so against my better judgment, I'm gonna put soap in there. This is my hand soap. It's just the Method Pink Grapefruit one. I really like it because it's foamy. Boop. So we'll just put 2. I usually don't wash my Beauty Blenders with soap. I usually just use a Dial bar soap, the yellow one, because it's just like the cleanest, you know, soap, just basic soap. But this is the liquid soap I have. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, it's a party. It's breaking. It's breaking. It's breaking. Maybe it's because there's not a lot of water in there. Let's put some more water. YOLO. Should I just leave the lid open? Will it splash me? Probably, but we're already making this video. It's already kind of a fail. Let's just make it worse. Oh, it's not that bad. Is it doing anything? I'm just kind of crazy about this because it is so easy to wash your Beauty Blender. Like, I literally do it every single time before I do my makeup. And I like that it's kind of gimmicky, but I wish it just like worked. Like, obviously you want things that you buy to work. But see how it just has like that clean stripe on it? Like, that's so weird to me. I don't know if it's just rubbing against something it's cleaning that little spot. I mean, the water is really dirty, which makes me think something's happening, but I know nothing's happening. Let's just put it in there upside down maybe, where the pointy side's on the top. Let's see if that does anything. It's mad at me. Let's try starting it and then dropping it in. It doesn't like that. It doesn't like that. It doesn't. There's probably just not enough water in there. Come on. That was too much water. Good thing we have a handy dandy spout on the side. That dirty water. You can't even see what I'm doing. Good, because it's awful. I mean, it is coming out and it's much dirtier than what was in there. Oh my gosh, is it just leaking? I don't know what's happening. I'm scared. That's where the batteries are. Panic mode. This video is not what I thought it was gonna be. Honestly, I don't know what I think it was gonna be. I thought it might work, you know. The video obviously got me to spend $17.99, which I'm sure they just sucker someone into buying one, and then they take the Amazon post down so you can't return it and you can't complain, and then you're just stuck with a $17 piece of junk. So that's not fun, but China's got a China, right? Let's try again. I like how it like touches the roof of the thing. Ooh, now it looks like a washing machine. I broke it. I broke it. I broke it. I broke it. Oh no. Let's just put this in there. See, look at that! That makes me mad because it's obviously very powerful. I should try a baby Beauty Blender, like the mini. I think I have one. I'm just mad because it is powerful and it's working. It's not like it's just a scam where like you get it and it doesn't even turn on or doesn't even spin or anything. It does work. I just think it's the Beauty Blender's fault. Like, it's just, I don't know. Obviously this guy, let's just put him in there. Oh wait, that's kind of cute. Let me put it to that before it completely soaks up with water and ruins everything. I'm gonna ruin the motor, but let's see if it did anything. See, it has that weird random line on it where it's like, it's doing something, but it's obviously like not enough. That's so funny. That's so weird that it's actually cleaning it. It looks like a nipple, don't tell anyone. So weird. It's so weird that it kind of works. That makes me mad because like, what, it could have worked. It was so close to working. Anyways, okay, I'm gonna dump it out completely. I'm gonna find my baby micro beauty blender, even though it's useless, and this is almost useless, but don't leave yet. Let's try one more. I believe in it. Okay, I'm back. So I got more water, and I also got my micro beauty blender, which I forgot how teeny tiny and stupid this is. Like, look how stupid it is. I'm like, look, this is the beauty blender size I use. Excuse its sturdiness. And then this tiny little baby is just, why? Anyways, I also got this purple beauty blender and a brush because I think somewhere I saw advertised that you can clean brushes in. I'm kind of worried about it. This isn't like a brush I love entirely, but it's like good enough to show you guys to try it out. So let's try a brush first. This is kind of like an ugly shot, but I'm kind of over everything right now. Okay, so step 1, pour in water. That's kind of a lot. Step 2, put a pump of soap in it because YOLO. And then put my brush in. It's doing something. Okay, so that was, I don't know how many seconds, but my patience was running thin. So here's my brush now. Is it leaking again? I don't know. Let's just dry it off and see the damages done to my poor brush. Oh, I mean, it kind of is not pink anymore, but also literally I just applied blush, so it's not too hard. I mean, I wouldn't call that clean. Are you gonna focus on anything I want you to focus on today? But I mean, it's kind of clean, smells good. Even though you're not supposed to probably use that on brushes. Anyways, let's get on to this main show. Can't tell if the water's clean or dirty, but let's throw this little guy in there. Ready? Boop, boop. Whoa, there he goes. That looks fun. Okay, so it probably definitely puffed up a little bit. I didn't do anything. I'm disappointed. Can you see a difference? Let's try again. I mean, it kind of cleaned it a little bit, but I mean, this would be so easy to clean. Anyone showing you this actually working is a liar. Well, I mean, I'm not making claims, but so let's try this very dirty beauty blender. Pop them in there, dry. Ooh, oh, oh, it's splashing me, it's splashing me. That looks fun. It's doing something. Breaking itself, probably. Oh my gosh, can you not even see it? Okay, I don't want to break the little motor in there, but the water looks pretty yucky. It definitely did absorb a lot of the water in there. It has like these such weird cleaning spots where you can tell it is cleaning it on like the side, like the tip, just like the tip around it and like a little bit on the bottom, but it's just like this weird banding that is like not cleaning a beauty blender. Like I'll squeeze it out into here. And it is dirty water coming out, but also it's just like, that's not clean. I actually kind of like this, even though it's not working at all. We're gonna try it one more time. Fill this bad boy up. Pop this guy in there. And my hair. Just kidding. No soap. And see what happens. I'm just gonna leave it in there until I'm worried. Okay, so solid minute or so of looking at memes, and it's kind of cleaner. There's still like just this big old band where it misses. This is a bummer. I mean, in my heart, I feel like I knew it wouldn't. I thought it would. Like, I don't think I would have bought it unless I thought it would actually work, you know? This is annoying. That's the sound it makes. They gypped me out of my money, and I'm definitely not gonna be able to return it. Let's bet right now. Okay, if I can't return it, you have to leave a thumbs up on this video. Do you wanna see too? But you can go to my Amazon, cause all I do is buy things on Amazon. See, it says expected by June 5th. It like technically hasn't even delivered yet. Contact the seller. Return or replace the item. I can return it. Let's see, item defective or doesn't work. No, inactive website description. I mean, it's not cleaning them. I mean, it spins, so I don't want to say it's like broken. It just is not working. Continue. How can we make it right? The seller will review your request. See, I knew it. Whenever there's a Chinese seller on Amazon, they have to review your request and either deny it or accept it or like whatever. But many times, it's not even worth shipping it back to them. So you have to keep it. Like sometimes that's kind of cool, but like other times it's like, oh, this is so annoying because they have to approve it. The seller will review your return request within 40 hours. This item was sold and shipped by an Amazon seller, Prime Elite Shipping. If your return is approved, the seller will email you instructions on how to ship your return. Or they make you pay for return shipping unless you fight it like I did, and then you get to keep it, but it's also annoying. Refund from your seller to your original payment method. Upon approval of your return request, Prime Elite Shipping will process your submit return request. We're sorry, an error has occurred, but rest assured we're working to resolve it as quickly as possible. For a new return, please check back soon. We apologize for the inconvenience. How did I know that it wasn't gonna work? Let's try going back. Oh, we emailed your return request to Prime Elite Shipping. We've also sent a copy to my email address. Thank. I'm so tired. Filming YouTube videos is hard. There's a mess everywhere. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like for my struggle. Please leave a comment saying, I wish items would actually work. I don't know. Just leave a comment. Leave a comment! What's your favorite beauty brand? Anyway guys, I'm sorry I can actually provide a tutorial on how to clean your beauty blender, but I have one that already exists and I think it's pretty good and I use it to this day. So hopefully I'll be able to return this since it is a liar. This is still recording. Hello. Bye guys. I love you. I'm so tired now, like literally this just drained all of the life out of me. Save your money guys. Don't buy it. Don't be tempted by the Instagram ads that are cooler than they actually are. Frustrated. Auf Wiedersehen.